Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The private sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, says its members are prepared for Hurricane Beryl. PSOJ President Metro Siaga says firms have put in place emergency preparation plans.
Most companies either closed or sent home staff half day today so that they could go and get themselves prepared to get food, to get water, and to batten down where necessary. So I think we're all as prepared as we can be, and we are hoping and praying for the best. And we hope that Beryl takes a turn away from us.
And motorists are being encouraged to take steps to safeguard their vehicles in light of Hurricane Beryl. Insurance sales agent Kadeem Henry says owners and drivers must pay attention to emergency bulletins to decide where to park their vehicles.
ODPEM is one of the sources in which they'll be able to know whether or not the area in which they live is flood prone. And if it is flood prone, the only option that you have is to ensure that your vehicle is not within that area. Also, you would need to ensure that you are aware of what your policy covers. You want to ensure that you assess the environment. If there are any trees close to it, you need to trim down those trees. Don't park your vehicle close to light posts, light wires, stuff like that.
He says persons should also take photos of the vehicle before the storm.
It helps in claim processes because during this time, insurance companies would receive a lot of claims, and some genuine, some not so genuine. We ask that pictures that prove that before the hurricane, your vehicle was in good shape. How you need to take those pictures, you need to ensure that the entire vehicle is covered. So multiple pictures, front, side, back, pictures of your windscreen, all of it.
The JSE index declined by 401 points today, while the junior market advanced by 8 points. Among the 39 winners, The Lab, Margaritaville Turks, Carbon Assurance Brokers, Epley 7.25% preference shares, and Jetcon Corporation. The 37 losers include JMMB Group 9.5%, Regency Petroleum Company, Lasco Financial Services, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Wigton Wind Farm. 16 stocks traded firm. Meanwhile, no trading will take place on the stock market on Wednesday due to Hurricane Beryl. A release from the Jamaica Stock Exchange indicated, however, that normal operations should resume on Thursday unless otherwise advised. Managing Director Marlene Street Forrest says the organization has a plan of action in the event the hurricane causes major disruptions.
We are totally ready. We have an active business continuity program, and so it will be in full gear. We are able to work remotely if the banking institution, if Bank of Jamaica closes and our broker members decide that they want to trade, we can trade. If not, so we will be able to trade. From the standpoint of readiness to continue to work, we are there because we can work. All our staff members can work remotely. And as for the security of our buildings, etc., our business continuity plan is extremely active.
Listed microlender Dollar Financial has expanded operations to Morant Bay, St. Thomas. This brings to 11 the number of locations operated by the firm. This comes roughly 2 months after the firm closed its operations in Guyana. CEO of Dollar Financial, Kenroy Carr, says the St. Thomas branch was a strategic move.
Dollar has always been committed. It's one of our mission to empower customers financially, and we have been doing a lot of business in St. Thomas, and we thought it the right time to establish a physical presence here.
He was speaking at the location's opening on Friday. The company adds that it is targeting taxi operators with special loan offerings over the next few months. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.31. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.89. $197.30 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $168.78. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.